Take a ride in the 2018 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, FWD. Inside you'll find security system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, power driver seat, power passenger seat, rear defrost. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
All of our pre-owned vehicles go through an extensive service inspection that will be presented to you along with the Carfax. Thank you for choosing Nissan of Cookeville.